I just want to say shout out to my boy Tyler. He's over here gonna install the 2018 to 2023 Toyota Camry Nike style taillights, or RGBs. Again, they're from TTABC. Go ahead and check them out. Use my discount code ERWICTRD for 10% off of your purchases. Now let's get the install started. We're gonna go ahead and pop the trunk. When you pop the trunk, you're gonna wanna take off the screw, the cargo net holder, and these push pins. There's 4 of them that hold the tray in there. Take the flathead and turn it in there, twist and pull. To take off the cargo net, you push in the middle and pull out. Push in the middle, just pull out. Another one, there's 2 on each side. Push in the middle, pull out. And then 2 more push pins. Then you're gonna get another tool, it's like a push pin puller. It's gonna pull out the screw tab that's holding the liner in. You're gonna take it off on both sides, like so. When you come back to this piece, he's gonna pull up on it. Slides right out. Just gonna pull it out. There you go. Set that to the side, you won't need it. All right, guys. Once you got the tail light, I'm gonna go first. You wanna stick the harness through the hole right here, all of them. Okay, and then also squeeze the rubber grommet that's in there that came with it to seal it from getting water in there. You want to pull that out like so. Make sure, pull it out real quick. When you're installing the tail light, there's a tab right here and a pin right here. Make sure it lines it up here when you install it. Just like that. Then the 2 10mm bolts will go in there. Now that you have it secured, right? You want to take the grommet, try to bend it in there so it's nice and flush. Get oxidized or watering. Okay? Expose the liner, pull the liner back. You're going to connect the main harness of the tail light into the back of the actual connector to the car. Okay, this one you worry about later because this will go into the inner tail lights. We're going to remove the inner trunk liner so you can expose the inner tail lights. 15 push pins. Insert the flathead in there, twist and pull. There should be 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. You want to go ahead and remove those bolts. Those are also 10mm. Next step, we're going to remove the trunk hinge covers. There's 1 push pin bolt in there, twist and pull, pulls right out. Repeat next step on the other side. Guys, do not worry about this wiring harness right here. This is from my backup camera I added. Your guys' car won't have this. This is an aftermarket in-dash camera wire. I'm going to get the inner tail lights. Okay. You want to stick the wiring harnesses through the hole, like so. And make sure, you could tell if it's going to be flush. You see the metal bolts right here? You're going to align those to the hole so that it's nice and flush. Like so. All right, once you get it in there, you're going to grab your 10mm bolts. There's 3 of them again. They look just like these. Just like. Put the harness through the hole. Make sure the bolts on the taillight itself align with the trunk lid, just like that. Again, 3 bolts, 10 millimeter, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go ahead and get the other connectors. Start by 1 each. There's 2 of these, 1 for each side. Okay. These connectors, these harnesses, go in the bottom of the tail light. Yep. All right. And then the other end goes on the top of the inner tail light. Okay, that's 1. Repeat the same step on the other side. All right, guys, and what you want to do is your extra hot wire that they provide for you. I'm assuming this connects to RGB. You want to take these, and 1 end each connects to each inner tail light. So this one would connect up here, and 1 would connect up here. All right, now the easy part, like I said, guys, is plug and play. You're just going to want to connect this long one to the one that's already existing right there. This one you do not use. This is for the XSCs. LESCTRD, you do not use this connector. You can electrical tape it, put it away, whatever's. When you put the trunk liner back on, it'll be covered anyway. So you do not use this. Repeat same step on the other side. There's that connector, you do not need it. Then what you want to do is, once you're all done, put the liner back on. You can use zip ties, electrical tape, feed it through here and make it nice. Put all your hardware back on. Alright guys, fully connected. Shout out to TTABC once again for sending me these beautiful RGB Nike style taillights. They are definitely color changing. What you want to do is go on Light Running onto your app store or Android. The app is called Light Running. Alright guys, so we finished installing the taillights, the RGB Nike style. What you're going to do is you're going to download the Light Running app. Okay, looks like a dude running. I'm going to click that. This is my first time, so I'm doing it with you guys. Once you click that, you want to go ahead and add device. Your device should be the only one on there. Alright, now if we focus on the taillights, play around with it. Different colors. Very nice, nicely done. And you can control, so this is the brightness. And this one.